Thank you.
Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Number, Deuteronomy, Judges, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth, First Samuel, Second Samuel, First King, Second King, First Chronicles, Second Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Psalm, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Song of Solomon, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentation, Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea.
Amen. Amen.
That's it, sorry.
John.
Remember.
Oh, that's all you
I will
remember.
continue